Hey, yo, Michi, what up?
Hi guys, it's Natalie She Dope coming back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this natural glam look, so stay tuned. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera using the Anastasia dip brow in the color Ebony. To fill in my brows, I used the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. To conceal and clean up under my brows, I used the Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and a Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush. Because I have oily skin, I always use mattifying products, so today I'm going to be using this Kiss Professional's mattifying primer and apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to be using this Kiss Professional's makeup setting spray. I've noticed that spraying this before applying my foundation helps my foundation apply better. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. To apply my foundation, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I like to dot my foundation on my face because I feel like this gives me a more even coverage when blending out my foundation. When you are blending out your foundation, you want to make sure you blend down your neck too. Ladies, trust me, you do not want that line of demarcation. That is not cute. When you can see that your neck and your face is clearly two different colors. Blend, blend, blend. It is your best friend. Trust me. Blend, blend, blend. It is your best friend. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Match Perfection 2-in-1 Concealer and Highlighter. When highlighting, I like to apply concealer under my eyes, my chin, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D setting powder in the color Golden. You want to apply your setting powder wherever you applied your concealer. When I'm applying my powder, I like to tap it in and then blend it out. I feel like that gives me a more flawless look. I know I look like a ghost right now, but trust the process, sis. I'm going to have y'all snatched. So next I'm going to be contouring using my BH Cosmetics ITSMYRAYERAYE palette and my Wet n Wild contour brush. I'm going to be taking the color Brownie Bite to contour with. When applying my contour, I like to tap off my brush just to make sure I don't have too much excess product on it. Now watch me add some life back into this face, honey, because I'm over here looking casket ready. When blending your contour, you want to blend upwards towards your hairline. When I contour my cheeks, jawline, nose, and forehead. This adds shadows and helps the face appear more slimmer. So to bronze up my face, I'm going to be using the same BH Cosmetics ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. I'm going to be taking the color Mocha, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild blush brush. Bronzing helps bring the color and warmth back to your face. So when I'm bronzing, I also like to take my bronzer brush and dust off any of the excess setting powder that's on my face. That helps tone down the, the brightness of the setting powder and the concealer, and, helps everything marinate together. You see I had to hit them with a little shimmy. So we're going to be taking the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray and setting our face with it. This is going to help all of our products, marinate together, have everything looking right and tight. So for our lashes today, we're going to be using this MAC Extreme Dimension 3D Lash Mascara. So since I'm not wearing any lashes today, I'm going to double up on the mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is my holy grail. For eyeliner, I'm going to be taking the Kiss Professionals eyeliner in the color Black. When I'm applying my black eyeliner, I only like to apply it halfway down my waterline, only because it makes my eyes appear more wider and makes me look more awake. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Ulta cheek color in the color Girly and my e.l.f. angle blush brush to apply it. When I apply my blush, I like to smile and apply my blush to the apples of my cheeks. Next, we're going to be applying one of my all-time favorite highlighters, which is the Sonia Kashuk highlighter in the color Goddess. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild tapered highlighter brush to apply it. I like applying my highlighter after my setting spray only because I feel like it makes it even more intense. And my favorite part of doing my makeup is always my highlighter, because I like to bling, 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 blind these hoes. I like to apply my highlighter to the high points of my cheeks, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Basically my whole face. So I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild crease brush and adding the same highlighter we just used right under the arch of my eyebrow, so give us a little extra bling. So today we're going to be doing everybody's favorite nude lippy combo. You want to take a brown liner, any brown liner that's laying around, and line your lips. So for lipstick today, I'm going to be using MAC's Velvet Teddy, but any pinkish, nudish matte lipstick will do. And voila, we're done. So I ended up adding a clear gloss over my lip combo, but it's totally optional. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Just remember to like, comment, subscribe to become a part of the dope game, and tell a friend about me. Mwah.